Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So you can launch your integration software career with the SPMIT solutions because we offer this integration software courses taught by these industry experts and also will prepare you with the critical skills and the knowledge. So our practical approach, right, which will help you or ensures you are ready for the job from the day one to success in the world of technology. Now, the scope of this particular demo is about a SnapLogic and why we are going to learn the SnapLogic because it was a booming in the market and because of its easiness and also it is very easy to learn. And the idea of this particular demo is just give you a brief introduction and also about the tools and its primary capabilities. And along with that, we are going to discuss about this introduction of the SnapLogic and what is the middleware and what are the different advantages we have with this and also what are the different cloud modules we have and along with that what is an ipaas and the architecture and the advantages of the SnapLogic we are going to discuss as a part of this particular video. Now, before we are going to in detail about the SnapLogic, we have to know what is an integration. So, what is this integration? And why this organizations was using this integrations tools? So, with the help of this integrations tools, right, you can connect to different applications and also the services and the systems so that we can enable the same seamless communication and also the interaction. Let's say if you have an organization and you have a Salesforce for the CRM related activities and you have your SAP system for the inventory levels and also you are maintaining a separate payroll system application. So by using these integrations tools, right, you can exchange the relevant data. Means from the CRM application, you can get this customer information and you can send it to the target system called a database. From this inventory system, like from the SAP, you can get this inventory related information and you can update to this respective target system. And along with that, from the payroll systems, you can get this employee records information so that we ensures there is a smooth workflow is happening across all these applications. And also, these integrations tools even widely used in this e-commerce portals as well. Let's take an example of this Amazon. Like in the Amazon, they want to synchronize the order data information along with this online stores, with this inventory and the shipping systems because these integrations tools want to process those orders and also the respective stock levels have to be updated and also the shipping levels need to be generated without any delays. Means let's say if you go to this any e-commerce applications, you have placed an order. Now, with the help of this integrations tools, right, we can go and automate this order creation process in the Salesforce, which is in a CRM. And also we can update this inventory back to the ERP applications. And also we enable we enable this shipping labels. And also we will trigger invoices in the accounting systems so that we can eliminate this need of this manual updates by using this integrations tools. And when you look at those benefits of this integrations tools, by using this integrations tools, we can provide the security. Like how we can provide the security? Because these integrations tools, right, will protect the data against the common web attacks and the vulnerabilities. So it acts as a gatekeeper between the client and the servers. So let's say you have a source system which is in a Salesforce. From there, you have received a request, right? Once you receive the request, we will perform some validations and the sanitization and that particular request. Means whether we have received the request from the correct user or not. Okay, we have received the request from the correct user. Now, whatever the information that we have received, we just have to go and update back to this SAP system. Again, this integration tool will validate whether this particular user have permissions to update the data into this SAP or not. If he is authorized to perform this update operation, then only we will do it. Otherwise, we'll reject this particular request. Means in that way, so we can validate both authentication and the authorization by using this integrations tools. And along with that, the other feature we have with this integrations tools is enhanced performance. So with the help of this integrations tools, we can optimize this request and response handling. And also we can reduce the load on the servers because again, this integration server was in a different layer. and with that we can improve this application speed as well. So how does integrations tools will improve the performance? Because these integrations tools will cache the frequently accessed data in the locally, so that it reduces the need to fetch the data from the backend service for each and every request. So this caching significantly speed up the responses times, especially for this frequently accessed data, and also it leading to this better user experience. And also, if we and also with the help of this integrations tools, right, we can compress the data. So before sending to the client, we can reduce the network bandwidth usage as well. And also we can even distribute those incoming requests to the multiple servers, because this integrations tool supports the concept of the load balancing. So with the help of this, whatever the request that we have received, right, that we can distribute across this multiple servers, so that no single service becomes an overloaded. And these integrations tools are low code and the no code platform tools, right? So which enables the developers within a minimal coding experience to create the integrations within a drag and drop interfaces. And along with that, these integrations tools normally minimize this number of round trips between the client and the service by combining the multiple requests into the single request, so that we can minimize this load balancing in case of this performance. And also we do have another feature with the help of this integration is simplified development, because these integrations tools will handle the common task, and also it allows the developers to focus on the core application logic. Means these integration tools will have this pre-built connectors and also the APIs. So with the help of that, we can integrate with the commonly used applications like Salesforce or SAP or the SAC applications, so that these characters will eliminate the need to develop the custom code from the integration. And along with that, these integrations tools, right, will provide the common services such as the data transformation and also the message queuing and the security. So it eliminates the need for the developers to implement these functionalities from the scratch. And also these middlewares, right, will promote the loosely couple between the systems, so it making easier to modify or replace the individual components without affecting this entire integration. And this comes under part of the development. And if you just discuss on a one more advantage with an integration is on a flexibility. So with the help of those middleware tools, we can easily add it and remove the customize the functionality. Means like with the help of this middlewares, right, we can easily add it or remove or modify the application's behavior without altering the core logic of this integration. So we can easily incorporate new features like authentication and also the authorization, the logging, and also the compression without modifying this application's core logic. And also with the help of this middleware, right, we can isolate the specific functionalities, so that it makes easier to identify and fix the issues without affecting the entire application. And also in this middleware, right, we can test the logics independently, and so that we can simplify the development, and also we can simplify this debugging as well. So these are the few advantages we have with this integrations tools. Now, we know this integrations tool, especially the SnapLogic, is one of the ipaas tool, means it is one of the cloud module. But before that, what are the different cloud modules we have? Like we do have a different modules, which is an SaaS, which is a software as in a service. The other one is which is an IaaS, which is an infrastructure as in a service, and the next one is which is in a platform as in a service. Now, if you look at this software as in a service, so even this is also one of the cloud computing tool, like but where the software applications are delivered to the customers over the internet as in a service, typically on the subscription basis. Like rather than installing this applications and maintaining on the individual computers and the servers, they can provide the ready-made applications to the users according to this requirement, and they can fulfill this requirement by using this ready-made applications, so that users will have access the software through only the web browsers, while this providers, like whoever the providers we have, they'll just provide this application and they host and manages this application, and also the infrastructure and also the security and its services. So this SaaS will eliminate the need for this local installation and also the maintenance. And with the help of the SaaS based applications, right, user can access the SaaS based applications from anywhere if they have this internet connection. And the better example for the SaaS based applications is like in a Salesforce and also this Microsoft 365. So the PaaS is one of the cloud computing model, even which helps the developers to build or deploy or manage this applications. And the mainly the developers, they don't have to worry about this underlying infrastructure, like such as in a services and also the storage and the networking. So with the help of this pass, right, so which allows the developers to focus mainly on the writing and managing the code, and while whoever the service providers are there, so those service providers will handle this infrastructure and also the operating system and runtime environments and other backend services. And also this pass mainly provides some pre-built development frameworks, and which helps the developers to build these applications very quickly. And also whoever the cloud providers are there who provides this pass as in a service, right, they manages this entire infrastructure, including the server storage networking and the databases. And also this pass will work as pay as you go model, so where the business can only pay for the resources what they are going to use, and they can reduce this upcoming and ongoing the cost. And also, in case of an past, right, that developers can concentrate only on building this application's functionality. And also this past providers, whoever is there, so they handle all the system updates, the patches, and the maintenance tasks. And the first example for this pass is in a Google App Engine, and which is one of the pass platform, which is provided by the Google, and it offers the different features it includes this scalability and also the managed databases, and also the integration with and also we can integrate with an other Google cloud services. And other example for this PaaS is a Microsoft Azure App Services, and which is also one of the platform as a service, and which is given provided by the Microsoft. And also it provides the flexible environment for building and deploying the web applications. And one more module for this cloud modules is an IaaS, which is an infrastructure as a service. Even this is also one of the cloud computing model, so where the third party providers are there, they delivers and manages the fundamental computing infrastructures, like they provide the virtual service storage and the networking and operating systems as well. Even this IaaS also will works as in a pay as you go basis model. So with the help of this IaaS, right, so it helps the business to easily scale this infrastructure up and down according to their needs. And also during the peak hours, right, they can increases the more resources, and during the low demand, even they can fewer the resources and they can save the cost. And also when you go with this IaaS, right, instead of investing on this physical hardware in the data centers, the business rent this infrastructure on the usage basis, which reduces the capital expenditures. And the best example for this IaaS is an Amazon Web Services and also the IBM Cloud. Now, if you look at this pass comes under the platform as in a service, because they are going to provide this integration platform as in a service here. So with the help of this ipaas, right, it allows us in organizations to integrate these applications and also the data. So with the help of this integrations tools, we can simplify as streamlines this business processes across those multiple applications. It can be Salesforce or SAP, or it can be AWS or databases. With the help of this iPaaS, we can reduce the complexity of building integrations from the scratch. Like we do have the many iPaaS platforms features within a low code or the no code interfaces, which allows this non-technical users to design or build or manage the integrations without requiring a deep coding knowledge into the integration side. And also we have a many ipaas platforms. We do have this many ipaas platforms which helps business to transform the data from one format to the another format so that they can ensure the compatibility between the systems. So the example for the SnapLogic is a booming. And sorry, the example for this one of the middleware are the ipaas tool is in a booming, and also the SnapLogic and also the MuleSoft. Now we are going to discuss about this SnapLogic. So what is SnapLogic? The SnapLogic is also one of the integration platform as a service. So with the help of this, we can connect to these different applications and also the different systems so that we can automate the business process across those applications. And also we can improve the data accessibility, and we can improve the and we can enhance the overall operation efficiency. But why these organizations using this SnapLogic? Because it was in a fast, because you can build the complex integrations very fast by using the SnapLogic. And also it was in a multi-point. It means you can integrate a variety number of an applications by using the SnapLogic. And also it was in a modern. We do have an all the advanced we do have an all the features by using this SnapLogic. And along with that, why this organizations was using this SnapLogic, one of the main reason was a digital transformation, because everyone was moving their applications into the digitalization. So, and with the help of that, they want to integrate with their legacy applications with the modern applications, and they want to transfer the data. Then they were using this SnapLogic. Along with that, the cloud migration, because most of this banking domains, the other applications, still they have those data into the on-premises applications. Now they want to move the data from the on-premises applications to the cloud applications. They can use this integrations tools. And in the SnapLogic, right, we have the concept of the reusability. Like we have the components called snaps or the integrations pipelines. Once you create the snaps in the pipelines, and it can be used across this multiple projects. And also in a SnapLogic, we have this AI powered feature. So with help of this, it provides the suggestions for optimizing the integration processes. And also by using the SnapLogic, right, we can integrate both hybrid and the on-premises applications, and also even we can integrate the multi-cloud environments. And what are the different features, the advantages we have with the SnapLogic is SnapLogic is in a low-code platform. Means even the users, they do have a limited technical experience, right? So even those users can able to create the application with a minimal coding. Means even the non-technical users can able to build the applications very quickly and efficiently with the help of this low-code platform tool. And also this SnapLogic provides a drag and drop interface so that we can design and managing the integrations. Means users can works on the visual convoys where they can drag and drop the snaps to create in the design integration flow. So with the help of this, developer can create these integrations more quickly and efficiently compared to the traditional coding methods. And also with the drag and drop interface features, right? It simplifies the process, and also it reduces the time and effort required to develop the integrations. And also this SnapLogic have this pre-built connectors, and also it is in a user-friendly interface. So this SnapLogic actually provides a vast library of pre-built connectors that we will call it as in a snaps. So which are designed to easily connect and integrate within a different applications, databases, and also the services and also the different platforms. So these snaps will eliminate the need for the complex and custom coding, which helps significantly reducing the time and effort required to establish the connection between the systems. And also, this SnapLogic reduces the infrastructure cost by eliminating the need for an on-premises integration services, which means like if you go with this traditional approach, right, it required a significant investment on the hardware and also the softwares and the ongoing maintenance activities. So that can be eliminated by using this SnapLogic, because the organizations no longer need to purchase or maintain the on-premises integration services or the infrastructures, such as this physical servers and the networking equipment and the storage solutions to host their integration tools. Because In this, as this is in a cloud platform, the cloud provider take care of all the infrastructure maintenance, and also it reduces the operational burdens, and also it also associate their cost. And also by using the SnapLogic, we can integrate both real time and the batch integrations. Like what is this real time integrations? Let's say you have performed a real time situation, and you want to get this data to the immediately from the source system, and you want to process that data to a target system. Let's say by using this SnapLogic, even we can transfer the instant data transfer as well. Means let's take an example of this Facebook or the Instagram. Whenever you have posted something into this particular application, the data get posted in your main page automatically. Okay, this SnapLogic supports the both real-time and the batch integrations. The real-time integration is nothing but the instant data transfer between the systems. Like as soon as this event is occurred, the data will get updated to the target systems. So, which can trigger the actions across all the systems immediately. And also, whenever the data changes across these applications, or whenever the a specific event takes place, automatically we will get the data and we can transfer to this respective target systems. And also when it comes to this batch integrations, let's say you have a system called an SAP, where you are maintaining this inventory details, and you just want to send your inventory update to the another target system in the batches. But in the SAP you have millions of the records, but fetching all the millions of the records at a time is not suggestible. So instead of that, we will take this data in the batches from the source system, and also we can transfer this data to the target system. So this SnapLogic like normally supports the both real time and also the batch integrations. Now, if you look at this architecture of this SnapLogic, right? Like SnapLogic is defined by the 3 A's, which is nothing but the anything, anywhere, and the anytime. So what is mean by anything? Means by using this snap logic, right? You can integrate any applications. It can be the Salesforce, or it can be the NetSuite, or it can be any API, like anything or any data. It can be XML or the JSON or the CSV. You can integrate anything by using the snap logic. And also the anywhere means your application can be present in the on premises, or it can be present in the cloud as well. But you can integrate both your on premises and the cloud applications by using this snap logic. And also the anytime means it can be the batch integration, or it can be the streaming data, it can be the real time. So any type of the any time any data can be processed by using this a snap logic. And also, if you look at this other side, by using this SnapLogic, right, you can integrate the both cloud applications and also the both cloud and the on-premises applications. Means, if you look at this first one, you can integrate both your cloud to cloud applications by using the SnapLogic. Means you can have your source system as in a Salesforce, or you can have your target system as in a Workday. So with the help of this SnapLogic, you can integrate both your cloud to cloud applications. And also, by using the SnapLogic, you can integrate both your cloud to on-premises applications as well. Means that let's take an example of the Workday here. It was hosted on the cloud. And again, we have an SAP system which is hosted on the ground. It's nothing but this on-premises. So by using this SnapLogic, you can integrate both your cloud and the on-premises applications. And also, if you just look at this, the next one, even you can integrate both your ground to ground applications as well. Means you have your SAP system, and you also have your Oracle applications, and all these applications are hosted on your ground. Even you can integrate both a ground to ground applications by using the SnapLogic as well. And along with this, the hybrid applications also. Means you have a few applications that are integrated by using this SnapLogic, and all these applications are available or hosted in the cloud. And along with that, you have this few applications which are hosted on the on-premises. Even you can transfer the data between all these applications. Means whatever the applications you have hosted by using this SnapLogic on the cloud, and also whatever the applications that you have hosted on the on-premises applications by using this SnapLogic, right? Even you can exchange the data, you can transfer the data as a part of this hybrid integration. Now, when you look at this architecture of this SnapLogic, right? So here this SnapLogic, whatever we have this cloud web app, it is actually a user interface. So where this user can design and manage and monitoring the integrations. So and also it sends a request to both on-premises and also the cloud applications. So it coordinates to transfer and sends the data, or it sends or receives the metadata between this different applications. And also this snap logic will have a snaps, which we will call it as in a pre-built connectors. And also this snaps can help you for a transformation tools, and also it representing the specific integration steps. And also with the help of this snaps, right, the user can connect to a wide range of an applications, like it can be in a data sources including the databases, and also it can be an ERP systems or a SaaS applications or the any big data platforms and many more. Means we can integrate all these applications by using this Snap Logic. Now, in a Snap Logic, right, we have a concept of the pipeline. So with the help of the pipelines, you can design your integration flow, which actually represents in a workflow. So with the help of the workflow, right, you can build those integrations by using the snaps, which is in the cloud control panel. And they represents the sequence of operations, even that the snap logic will execute the data. And once you have done with this snap logic, once you have created in a pipeline, this can be executed by this snaplexes. And what is a snaplex? Like the inside this snap logic, snaplex is in a server. Okay, with the help of the server you can execute a process. And again, the Snaplex was divided into the two types. One is a cloud Snaplex and other one is a ground Snaplex. So by using this cloud Snaplex, right, it handles the cloud-based integrations, and also we can communicate directly within a cloud applications and also the data services. And when you look at this Groundplex, which is an on-premises one, right, it can be deployed within this company's firewall, and also it allows this integrations within on-premises applications and also the databases. And if you look at this cloud apps and the data, right? So by using this SnapLogic, even you can integrate with all your cloud-based applications. Like it can be in a NetSuite, or it can be the Salesforce, or it can be a Google or the servers now. So by using this SnapLogic, you can integrate with all your cloud applications, and that can be done by using this cloud Snaplex. But when you want to integrate with an on-premises applications, you require an on-premises Snaplex. Like let's say you have your on-premises applications called an Oracle database, or it can be in a big data, or it can be an SAP or the Oracle. Means you can integrate uh, data across these applications by using this Snap Logic. Now, if you look at this advantages of the Snap Logic, right? The Snap Logic is a unified. Like what is mean by unified? Because this Snap Logic platform combines the both application integration and also the data integration capabilities. So it allows to work as a comprehensive integration solution. So it helps the organizations to avoid the complex of using multiple integrations tools. It just simplifies this integration landscape. And also this SnapLogic is in a self-service, because this SnapLogic is considered as a self-service platform. It means the non-technical users also, like business analysts, other data scientists, other non-developers who are all there, even they can design or manage or execute the integrations without needing an extensive IT support, and also they don't require a special coding skills. And these companies can speed up this integration process and improve the agility across these teams. And also the SnapLogic have this user interface, which is in a drag and drop pipeline. So with this particular designer, right, it allows the users to create an integration workflows by selecting and connecting the components called in the snaps and in a flowchart style workflow. Okay. And also this SnapLogic provides a set of monitoring and the management tools, and that allows the users to keep a track of a pipeline performance and the data flows in the real time. And also the users can set up the schedule for the pipelines to run automatically at a specific intervals. And also we can trigger them based on these events. And also the SnapLogic is a modern because it addresses the challenges of in a traditional integration, whatever the challenges that we are facing. Like it addresses all of the challenges in the traditional integration technologies. And also it is built in a cloud-based and the data-driven, fast-paced business environments. And also this SnapLogic was designed to support the modern architectures. And also it supports the agile development practices as well. And with the help of the SnapLogic, right, you can deploy both your on-premises or in the cloud or in the hybrid environments also. And this SnapLogic is completely in a cloud architecture which supports for the multi-tenancy. And also we can scale the horizontally so that it makes easy to handle the increase the data volumes and also the large number of the concurrent integration tasks. And also we know the SnapLogic is connected because if you take any integration technologies, the connectivity is in a fundamental to the any platform. And this, especially the SnapLogic, have this 60 plus snaps. So this SnapLogic offers an extensive library of the pre-built connectors that we will call it as in a snaps, right? So which enables a quickly and easily connect to a wide variety of applications at the databases, at the SaaS applications, at the different protocols. And this SnapLogic, right, which provides the snaps for the both structured and the unstructured data sources. Means with the help of the SnapLogic, you can connect to this MySQL server, the SQL servers, and also even you can connect to the big data platform and the messaging systems like Kafka, and also even you can connect to the data warehouse systems like Snowflake, the Amazon Redshift, and anything like. But to connect the each and every application, we do have this pre-built connectors inside this SnapLogic. And also this SnapLogic have this inbuilt AI assistants that we will call it as an iris. So this is a virtual assistant for an users. Like let's say you want to build some integration inside the SnapLogic, right? It provides the suggestions for an building pipelines, and also we can identify the errors, and also we can recommend the optimizations for this by using this AI assistants. And also the AI assistants, right, will help us not technical persons, other non-technical, other non-expertise users by guiding them so the process of building a pipelines more efficiently. And the common integration use cases like even this AI will suggest the pre-built pipeline templates as well. So with this AI, right, you can continuously monitor the performance of the pipelines, and also we can provide the insights on the areas where the performance might be optimized. And also, let's say if you have built some pipeline inside this SnapLogic, and if a pipeline encounters an errors, this iris, which is an AI, can analyze the error patterns, and also it will suggest you the corrective actions. On the other hand, right, if you look at any integrations tools, the mapping was one of the common tasks and one of the more time consuming tasks. Even you can automate this mapping by using this AI. It just provides a simplifies a solution are the suggestions based on the field names and based on this historical mapping. Okay, so when it comes to the conclusion, SnapLogic is one of the excellent tools for the organizations who want to integrate or build the integrations very quickly. And also they can scale this service across this multiple environments. And also with the help of the SnapLogic, you can get this flexible integration capabilities, and also you can integrate with the different systems and the applications. And if we just look at this picture, the SnapLogic was used by these multiple customers. Like it was used in the Sony and also the Workday, which is one of the product-based company, and also the Verizon. So these are the different organizations which are using and using the SnapLogic. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the more videos, and also the stay tuned for new videos on the SnapLogic. And also, if you are seeking for a better career guidance to establish yourself in the software, please feel to reach out to us. We are located in Kondapur. And also, if you have any further questions, so please contact us using the email address and the phone number which are provided below. Thank you.